as I work on my one of my current tasks here at Obey Foundation Arts and Wellness Land. I have to lift the soil, and it's interesting, as I lift the soil, you see the different layers. It's almost like a layered cake of soil. Interesting. And doing this allows the soil to be receptive of rainwater and other nutrients that want to penetrate the soil. But if she's impacted and compacted and closed off, she can't receive. So aeration helps her to be open to receiving the nutrients, so she can be her healthiest self. Life. I say.